Hi, I'm Jim Sterne, and I will be emceeing the Marketing Analytics Summit in June in Las Vegas. And I will be giving 2 workshops, one on artificial intelligence in marketing. This is an introduction to. If you're into machine learning already, you don't need it. But if you are curious and you want to understand the language and you want to be able to talk to data scientists about the analytics that you're doing and how they might help with machine learning, this is the workshop to get the lay of the land. The other workshop I'm doing is a little more personal. It is for analytics managers. It is care and feeding of digital analysts. And we will talk about classic management issues and the things that are unique to analysts. What does it take to keep an analyst happy, to keep them productive, to keep them creative? So, 2 workshops on either end of a killer conference at the end of June in Las Vegas, Marketing Analytics Summit.